Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, let's talk about this is the favorite couple Ben Sonia Jin latest update regarding their private lives. The marriage of Sonia Jin and Yoon Bin always receives a lot of attention from the audience, even though they both in a private life since they got married. The very public appearance at the same time of the very shares live on social network or social media has the 2 years of marriage. After marriage of 2 years in March 31, 2022, the couple crush landing on you became the center of attention. In the last rumors, the couple crush landing on you became the center of attention at the baseball, the match together in South Korea. Sonia Jin sits in the stand at Roxo Sky while watching the baseball match between Sonia Jin of the MBL, the World Tour in the Seoul Series of 2024 Stadium. The audience has the big screen has the appear in the image that the core and names. The moments of this famous couple also quickly spreads without the social media has the social networks the attention many fans. This is a rare time the two actors have appeared in the same since they were coming their first chance at the end in 2022. Sonia Jin in the series of Yoon Bin the simple clothes a dark blue of the shoulder, hair like the Sonia Jin of the more rest. What do you say about this? Thank you for watching.